This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update for November 11th. Well, despite a sharp rally in the dollar index, which hit its highest level in 15 months, we also saw a sharp rally in grains yesterday. Corn traded higher as it was supported by some export business rumors. Now, basis levels continue to remain strong as harvest begins to wind down in many areas, while the weekly ethanol report showed production last week was down 68,000 barrels per day from the previous week. Ethanol stocks, however, increased by 157,000 barrels. At the close, we had December futures 14.5 cents higher as they settled at $5.54 per bushel. Soybeans had a relatively small trading range and settled with minor gains on the day, but remained well within the previous day's range. At the close, January soybean futures were 4.75 cents higher, finishing up at $12.16. Wheat saw all three classes make new crop contract highs yesterday. We saw the same thing happen with most of the deferred contracts of Paris milling wheat. Now, here in the U.S., the stocks-to-use ratio is at 28.8%. That's the tightest that we've seen in 14 years. That, coupled with the news that Russia may change how it calculates its wheat export tax formula, had the markets sharply higher in yesterday's trade. At the close, Minneapolis December futures were 22.5 cents higher, so they settled at $10.4625. Kansas City gained 24 cents, closing at 8.17.5, and Chicago futures were 24.5 cents higher for the session, ending the day at $8.03 per bushel. Cotton futures struggled during yesterday's session, with the December futures ultimately finishing 70 points lower, settling at 118.68. Livestock futures were split. We had February live cattle 12.5 cents higher, closing at $136.82.5 per hundredweight. January feeder cattle were $1.75 lower as they settled at $158.05 per hundred. February lean hog futures were a bit stronger. They finished up 57.5 cents for the session, closing at $79.32.5 per hundred. Class 3 milk futures saw their winning streak come to a close yesterday. When the smoke cleared, we had the December futures 8 points lower, settling at 18.03. Meat cutout values were under a fair amount of pressure. Choice box beef ended the day $2.28 lower, closing at $285.52. Select boxes were down an even $4 as they settled at $266.62. And pork carcass cutout values also retreated, ending the day $1.98 lower, settling at $90.57 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Egg update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.